In this video, we will be covering the steps to successfully make the Deli roasted chicken. These steps are seasoning, cooking, saucing, packaging, and finally, where to merchandise. Let's get into it. Cover baking pan with pan liner. Place chicken on pan, skin side up. Season the top of the chicken skin with salt and pepper mix. Use a ½ ounce for 8 to 10 pieces. Bake in the oven until the internal temperature is 170 degrees Fahrenheit or higher when checked in the thickest part of the chicken breast and thigh. Choose from our different sauce options. These are chimichurri, romesco, and roasted garlic pesto. Once cooked, carefully transfer the hot roasted chicken into a metal mixing bowl. Add 1 each green scoop of sauce to 1 each 8 or 10 piece roasted chicken. Do not mix sauce flavors. Mix together with gloved hands until the chicken is fully coated in the sauce. Transfer the 8 or 10 piece chicken into the full rib container, or 2-piece chicken into the meals for 1 container. Always merchandise with a hot vented lid. Roasted chicken is only sold hot, and the scale PLU numbers can be found on the PLU cheat sheet. Place the scale label at the front and center, connecting the container base and lid. Merchandise in your hot grab-and-go venues throughout your store, right next to the packaged fried chicken and whole rotisserie chickens. The shelf life is 4 hours. Expired products should be scanned as shrink and discarded.